Hello everyone, welcome back to Naina Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to subscribe CPI Integration Suite, add capabilities, and assign roles to the user to access CPI and integration monitoring dashboard. Before that, just for a recap, I have done a detailed video on SAP Cloud Connector, how to download and install SAP Cloud Connector, and connectivity between the BTP and Cloud Connector, map the S4 HANA system on the Cloud Connector, and create the BTP destination to access the S4 HANA API. If you missed that video, I will put the URL in the description. Please go through it. Click on Service Marketplace, and here you have to search for Integration Suite. Click on Integration Suite and choose Integration Suite and click on Create button. That service name should be Integration Suite and plan should be Trial. Click on Create. Now creation is in progress. Click on Close. Now go to Instance and Subscriptions. Here you can see Integration Suite is subscribed. Now go to Application. Here you have to choose the cloud IaaS, that is AN11. Here you have to enter the credentials of the IaaS. Here you can see you don't have access to this page. That means after activating the cloud integration suite, you have to add the roles. Click on users, choose the user, go to role collections and click on assign role collection. Here you have to assign the roles required for the integration suite. Cloud Connector Administrator, and integration provision. This is a very important role to access the cloud integration. After adding all roles, click on Assign Role Collection. Now go to Instance and Subscription. Click on Integration Suite. Choose Cloud IaaS and enter the credentials. After adding the roles, you can access the integration suite. Now you have to add the capabilities. Click on Add Capabilities. Choose Build Integration Scenarios. Here you can discover, design, and operation scenarios end to end, and click on Manage APIs. Click on Next. This one, keep it as default. Click Next. Click Next. And click on Activate. Now the capabilities, cloud integration and API management, the activation is in progress. So this will take a bit longer time. Now API management is active, that API modeling is active now, and only cloud integration is in progress. Now cloud integration and API management is active. Click on OK. After adding capabilities, you have to add remaining roles to the users. After adding capabilities, many more roles are created. Go to role collection, click on as and role collection. Here, roles related to API and integration suite, you have to add to the user. After adding all the roles, click on as and role collection. Now log out and log in again. Click on instance and subscriptions and go to integration suite. Enter the credentials. Here you can see design and monitoring tab. Click on design. Click on integrations and APIs. And this is a place where you will create the packages and iflows. Click and monitor and integrations and APIs. Here you can monitor and create the secret keys, check the message status overviews. That's it, guys. If you like the video, hit like, share, and subscribe to 9.